Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2.2, the three questions written by Leo Tolstoy. Means in this lesson Leo Tolstoy it is a very beautiful narrative story, which in this story Leo Tolstoy tells us about the importance of time. Now see, yesterday we have seen king declare their reward those who are giving the answer of his three questions correctly, and for that many scholar people take part in that. For that to win the award. Okay, and for that they give the different answers. They give the different suggestions. Some said that one must draw the plan, follow the timetable days, means one must some scholar says that one must don't think about the past time, we must think about the whatever the present time. Some said that it was impossible to make the plan, and that's why they give the suggestion to the king should be take the help of wise people who would help them to fix the proper time for everything. Now next, equally varied were the answers to the second question. Means what was the second question of the king? Means it was the who were the most necessary people. For that, see what answer was there. Some scholars said that the people the king most needed were his counselors. Means some scholars said that there was the most necessary people was the counselor. Counselor means advisor. Okay, advisor. Those who are giving the advice, these people are the most needed people. Some scholars said that most needed people are the priests. Priests means those are religious person. Those are taking the every day they are doing the puja of God. These priests. Okay, pujari. One should take the they give the advice to the king. These most needed people are the priest. Other scholars says that the doctors most needed people are the doctors, while some said that warriors. Warriors means those are fighting. These are the most important people. These people are the most necessary people. Okay. Then to the third question, like this way they give the answer of second question. Some said that priests are important, some said that counselors are important, some said that warriors are important. Like this way they give the answer of the second question. Now third questions what was the most important thing to do. Okay. To the third question about what was the most important occupation, what was the important thing. Some replied that the most important thing in the world was science. Some scholar replied that most important thing in the world was science. Some said that it was a skill in warfare. Some said that it is the skill in warfare. Warfare means activity at fighting a war. Those are showing their best skill in warfare. And others again that it was religious worship. Some said that religious worship, those are giving these religious persons are religious worship. It is a most important thing. The king was convinced by none of these answers, but king was not convinced about any of these answers, and gave the reward to none, and that's why he did not give the reward to anyone. Okay, because he did not get any satisfied answer from these scholars. And now what he decided, see. He decided instead to go to a hermit who was widely renowned for his wisdom. He decided instead to go to a hermit. Instead of to take any means to get the answer of these people, he decided to go to a hermit who was widely renowned for his wisdom. And that's why he decided to meet the hermit to get the answers of these three questions. Means this hermit was widely renowned for his wisdom. Means he was famous for his knowledge. Wisdom means knowledge. Renowned means famous. And hermit means, what do you mean by hermit? It was means religious person. Religious person. Okay. Means person lived alone away from society. Okay, means those who are living in the forest, those who are religious person. Okay, we can say that sadhu, the most knowledgeable person, who was widely renowned for his wisdom. Those who means that hermit was very famous for his knowledge. The hermit lived in a small hut in a forest. Means that hermit lived in a small hut in a forest, which he never left. Means he never left his hut. He always lived in that. He spoke only a common folk. He spoke only a common folk. Common folk means he spoke only to the common, means informal people. We can say that here, informal people. And that's why, so the king put on simple clothes and approaching the hermit said. And that's why king was not informal people. Okay, and that's why king decided to wear the simple clothes and approaching to the hermit's cell. And he went to the hermit's cell. Cell means the smallest room. Okay, hermit's smallest room or hut. Dismounted his horse and left his bodyguard behind. And he dismounted. Dismounted means get off from his horse and left his bodyguard behind. Means he left get off his horse, and when he reached in the forest, that time he left his bodyguard behind, and he went alone to meet the hermit. Okay. Next part we will learn tomorrow. Okay, everyone, read this lesson.